Hello, it's Glamstract here. Another video, another foundation review. And today's foundation is by Urban Decay. We have the new Stay Naked Hydromaniac Tinted Glow Hydrator. This is one of the latest Urban Decay foundation. Just before jumping through the makeup application, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. You can find me there at Glamstract. I try and post every other day, but I don't want to promise you too much because I'm not always doing looks. So yeah, but follow me there. This is what the foundation looks like outside of his box, and yeah, it's like a squeezy tube. It's a plastic tube. This shade that I have picked for myself is 30 Light. This says to be a 24-hour hydration foundation. Is infused with Kombucha filtrate plus marula oil. And what does it say on the back of the box? So it says up to 24-hour hydration, lasting all day moisture. Skin is significantly hydrated after 24 hours. Up to 24-hour glow, dewy, juicy finish, healthy looking skin glow. Up to 24-hour wear, weightless, medium coverage, look fresh all day. And is a vegan formula, does not contain animal-derived ingredients or byproducts. Yeah, so these are the claims. So healthy glow, 24-hour hydration, 24-hour coverage. We'll see. That's it. This is one of their latest foundation. It came, I think, just right at the right time, ready for summer, because, you know, everything that screams hydration for me is like summer. I have my usual skincare down by Origins, the Mega Mushroom line, and also prepped and prime my skin as usual with the Vitamin Rich Face Base by Bobbi Brown. And to apply my foundation, I'm using the usual Dior foundation brush number 12. Start from this side. It doesn't really have a scent, I can tell you that right away. This is not, by the way, my first time applying this foundation, because as usual I like to apply this foundation before, test them for a little while, and then come here on YouTube and give you a fair, review. And in fact, I can tell you this is not a first time sort of use YouTube channel. I mean, it might happen every now and then, but yeah, it's not a first time applying YouTube channel. First impression, because I don't think you can get a real, you need to give it a shot. You can't just like right away apply like, yeah, it's nice, or right away, no, I don't like it. You haven't used it for long enough to say, actually, this is just one section of my face applied. As you can see, the foundation shade is awesome, right much. And the glow is real, is already giving me that healthy glow. Just like the Clarins foundation, in fact I'll put the link right here, it should come up in a second if it's not already up. It gives me very summertime vibes. It gives me very seaside, heat, and oh yeah, it just gave me all those vibes looking at it. And even when I applied for the first time, I was like, oh yes, this is nice. It's fair to say that this is not a full coverage foundation, so for all your full coverage junkie out there, unfortunately this is not for you. So as you can see, you can still detect some discoloration through my skin, but they're definitely minimized. I can definitely tell they're not as red, and I like that. It's really, really natural. This is foundation applied. Look at that glow. Oh wow. I mean, I am standing as usual in front of a natural daylight, so I got the brightness of the sun, but just imagine when you're outside and you have this beautiful glow all over your skin. Awesome. And it doesn't look oily, It's not like that sort of glow that like, oh my god, I look like I need to use a blotting powder right away. Oh my god. It's just that nice, beautiful, luminous. It doesn't feel oily or anything like that. It just feels luminous. That's the glow that I have a feel of. And it feels like your skin looks plumped. And you know, of course, I don't use any filters when I apply foundation, but I don't use any filters at all when I do my YouTube videos. So you get a true effect of the actual foundation or any other product that I use on my skin. So you can totally see. I'm just gonna zoom in so you can see. It's gorgeous. Wow. Very quickly off camera, I'm going to go now and do the rest of my face. Apply a little bit of concealer. I decided to use the Clinique Even Better concealer today because I want a very natural effect. This screams natural to me, so what better than a Clinique concealer? And I'll come back very shortly and give you my final thoughts. And I'm back. So that's it. That's the rest of my face done. I'll tell you very quickly we're done, but if you want more info about the products that I've used, then head over to my Instagram and you get more insight of what I've applied on my face. On my lips, I've used a little bit of a lip tint. This is the Bobbi Brown lip tint. Is a beautiful just wash of nude color. Then for my face, I actually haven't bronzed or contoured at all, because I was like, I love this. I don't need anything on my face rather than just this foundation. I said, you know what? I'm just gonna a little blush, a little highlighter. As you can see, it's like and a little wash of color just over my eyes. And I have achieved this look just by using this Glow Up palette by Sosu Jackson. It's Suzanne Jackson. I just keep reading the top, but I forget it's actually Suzanne Jackson. I've shown this many times on my channel, but it basically has all these beautiful highlighters. I've used this as a highlighter, I've used this highlighter as a blush, and I use this just to give a little quick wash on top of my eyelid, and you can achieve a beautiful, natural summertime look just by using one palette. If you have something similar, go for it. Simple, easy, quick. Why not? If you're thinking to purchasing this Urban Decay foundation, go for it. It's awesome. Oh my god, it's just the right foundation for summertime, I feel like, because I already said it. It's hydrating, it's glowy, and of course I've used it throughout the day and it feels awesome. It doesn't really wears off or anything like that. It's just like a very nice, comfortable foundation that, yes, it does your if your combination to oily skin, you know, you still need that powder to blot away any shine, but rather than that, the foundation stays in place. It doesn't wear off or anything like that, so go for it. We are towards the end of this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, but even if you didn't like it, give it a thumbs up as well, because why not? Let's spread the love. And also, as I said at the very intro, follow me on my Instagram. You can find me there at Glamstract. And while you're here on YouTube, why don't you just subscribe? So it's the red button down here. Thank you very much for watching again, and I'll see you hopefully in the next one. Bye.